this knowledge that I have from my college, these things from my childhood, that actually helped me build this entire structure of art. I would have not been able to reach where I am today. अभी कोई आदमी मुझे पेड़ों के बारे में बताएगा तो मुझे पता है कि मुझे किस बारे में बात हो रही है. Nobody will be able to snatch it away from you.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of CA Beyond Practice, where we showcase incredible journey of chartered accountants who have taken a path offbeat. I'm your host CA Harsha Agarwal, and today we have a guest, someone who blends numbers with creativity. She is just not a chartered accountant, but the founder of Artinity, a creative entrepreneur and a counselor of art. She is Shweti Jain. Her journey is a testament to the following's one true calling. Welcome CA Shweti Jain. So very warm welcome Shweti to our episode, and we are super glad to have you.
Thank you.
So, for the first time our viewers who are listening to you, just give me a 2-minute introduction what you actually do.
Well, as you mentioned, I run this brand. The name of my brand is Artinity. I'm a chartered accountant by profession and qualification, but I am a chartered accountant who turned her passion into her profession.
Amazing.
So, as of now, as I mentioned, my name of my brand is Artinity. It's basically an art studio where we curate art of different forms, starting from portraits to wall murals to artifacts to 3D art prints and everything, many more. So we have this studio. I mean, when I initially started, it was a 250 to 300 square feet of space, because we had to work out of my house so that I can concentrate on my work more. But I'm glad to announce that in August 2025, we have moved to a bigger space of 750 square feet, and now I have a proper gallery of art for myself.
Amazing. So coming back to your CA days, let's start from the beginning. So tell us, how did you think of doing CA, and was it your inside passion, or was it a family force?
Well, actually I come from a middle class family, okay. So पेरेंट्स ना क्या होता है, वो हमको गरीब नहीं देखना चाहते हैं. वो हमारे पैशन से अगेंस्ट नहीं होते हैं. आई एम श्योर, आई एम जस्ट पिकिंग दिस लाइन अप फ्रॉम जाकिर खान शो आई हर्ड, एंड आई कुड एक्चुअली रेजोनेट टू दैट. सो देन सो माय इंस्पिरेशन वाज माय फादर. ही हैज ऑलवेज बीन, इवन टिल डेट. सो ही इज दैट वन पर्सन की लाइक अभी भी कोई मैं किसी को कहती हूँ कि आई एम एन आर्टिस्ट, तो बोलते क्या यार सीए करके इतना कुछ डिग्री विग्री करके एंड यू आर डूइंग दिस, आई मीन यही करना था तो फिर ये क्यों करा. बट आई रिमेंबर टेलिंग दिस टू माय फादर. इज लाइक ठीक है, जो आपको अच्छा लगता है आप वो करो. आई एम श्योर वो तब भी यही कहना चाहते होंगे, बट वी डिड नॉट हैव दैट ब्रैकेट कि हम वो परस्यू कर सकते. सो सो माई फादर वॉज द पर्सन हु टोल्ड मी कि आई थिंक यू कैन डू, एंड नॉट जस्ट सी ए, लेट मी टेल यू, आई एम ऑल्सो सी एस.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah. So he told me that whatever you want to पढ़ाई कर लो, बाद में जो करना है करना. So I said ठीक है. I think I'm glad. I think very fortunate, and that this helped me actually meet my husband.
Okay.
So I met him because we are CA, and I worked in multinational companies with EY and KPMG later.
Okay.
And there is where I met my husband, and we got married. And I'm so glad and so thankful that not just my husband but also my in-laws together, they all have supported, and they have never been like नहीं करना है. So my mother-in-law specifically, she always says that ठीक है हमने support करा, but अगर तेरे अंदर talent ही नहीं होता तो ये सब कुछ भी नहीं हो पाता.
सही बात है.
So हमारा support ऐसे ही रह जाता. So so that has been there.
So ये shift कहाँ से आया? I mean, from numbers to creativity, from balance sheets to brushes.
So this happened in COVID. So it's been around 6 years now, I think, since COVID happened. And as in COVID, everything slowed down. पूरे टाइम घर पे. So तब लगता था ना कि there has to be my time. I can't be sitting with everybody all the time and chatting and chit-chatting. कितना कर लेंगे? So that time when everything slowed down, I picked up my brushes again. I thought, let me take out the creativity side of myself, and then that is how it happened. And then I took professional training also.
Okay.
So from a national level artist, he's my guru also. I was always interested in portraits specifically. So I used to go a long distance, travel and then learn from him while this was continuing. And when I was pregnant also, I remember till the 8th month, I kept learning till the time my body was allowing me to do it. So that happened, and I learned that art, and post that, I took a decision that now I'm going to take it professionally for myself, because this is what exactly I want to do.
Okay. So when did the inception of Artinity happen, and where is your store now?
So my store is exactly in the same place where it was 6 years back. It's just that we have moved into a bigger space.
Okay.
So this Artinity thing happened 3 months back.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's not a long time. So as I mentioned, August 2025, it is just a month back where
Okay.
we started off. So 1st August was the time 6 years back when I started my space. That time it wasn't a name, there wasn't any brand or something, because वो सिर्फ ये space था कि हम घर से बाहर निकल सकूं, डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं हो और मैं अपने काम पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके जो भी करना चाहूँ मैं वो कर सकूँ जितने देर के लिए मैं बाहर हूँ. जैसे I enter the house, I'm like this mother and there's a mom hat on my head, and so yeah, so उससे निकलने के लिए that place was there. But eventually when it took a scale, it went up high, and now I have many clients, we curate a lot of stuff. So now what happened that we thought कि why not brand, give it a name. So
Right.
yes, so that's where we thought of Artinity itself.
See, we see a lot of CVs और हम अपने hobbies में mention करते हैं painting and art. Even I like to do that. But art is just not limited to just that sketch and painting. So can you elaborate more कि इस Artinity में आप क्या क्या करते हैं? What are the collaborations you do? I also heard on LinkedIn that you revamp spaces. You also do workshops. So just take us through your various things you associated with this art.
Okay, so at Artinity we work on every kind of art forms.
Okay.
So starting from pencil से start करके brushes को लेकर कपड़े से art बनाना, clay से बनाना, हम सब चीज़ें करते हैं. So when you asked me about how do I turn around a space, so basically say for example there's a project and you have this room, it's a kid's room,
Okay.
and that room is being shared with somebody who's an adult as well as a kid. Now how do you design that room? What kind of elements you put in, मतलब in terms of your furniture and designs on your furniture or anything else, which can resonate with both. आप बहुत किडिश भी नहीं रख सकते और आप बहुत matured भी नहीं रख सकते कि एक न्यूट्रल कलर डाल दिया और काम करो.
वो blend बहुत important
Blend is
है.
important. So there is where I come in. So there has been a lot of clients of mine who have come up कि I have these 2 kids or there is this room, this has been shared with my nana and my child. Now you can style it something. इस furniture को मुझे एक अलग सा piece देना है antique. So then we design something in and around that.
Okay.
तो being a furniture piece itself, हम उस पर ऐसे डिज़ाइंस क्रिएट करते हैं तो एक बच्चे के रूम के हिसाब से वो लगेगा और एक टीनेजर के भी रूम के हिसाब से लगेगा, एंड आप कभी बोर नहीं होंगे उस रूम में जब भी घुसोगे. सो दैट इज दिस थॉट दैट वी हैव व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट टर्निंग अराउंड अ स्पेस फॉर एनीबडी. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वी ऑल्सो डू अ लॉट ऑफ आर्टिफैक्ट्स. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी क्रिएट आर्ट आउट ऑफ वुड. So like there was this client who was into yoga. She was a yoga thing. I mean she was very much into that. So she said कि मुझे एक wall पे बिल्कुल एक ऐसा चाहिए कि जिससे when I wake up in the morning, the first thing when I come out in my living room and I get to see that. So we curated a complete different yoga postures on a wooden slabs and we fixed it on her wall. We took their birth dates. We created art forms as constellations and those zodiac signs and all on those wood itself, and then pasted those yoga forms, and we had put it on installed it on the wall, so that whenever she's coming out she can always know that this is her story. She can always resonate with that. So that happens. So this is how we do. Apart from this we also do drape art is there very much in nowadays कि आपको texture चाहिए होता है, drape art चाहिए होते हैं because neutralize करने के लिए आपके पूरे interior को.
Okay.
क्योंकि that one art piece will actually highlight if you have a lot of a very subtle interior and suddenly you want a flush of colors. So that's where we work in again. So we create art in and around that interior of yours and we make this art piece which if you install you will never feel कि वो उस चीज़ से मैच भी नहीं कर रहा और बहुत पॉपी भी है और फिर actually blends with your interior.
It elevates the space.
Elevates the space actually. So that is what we do. So we do also wall murals, which is directly paintings on the wall itself. We make art forms on the wall itself for you.
Okay.
So that happens.
That's interesting.
Yeah. So we do. Say for example, we have done it for a client. So he loved forest and floral and all of that.
Okay.
So we created in his living room, just behind his sofa. So we created an entire a sunrise and a forest kind of a thing for him, so that now it is right in front of me. It's like मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपने घर में गार्डन के अंदर बैठा हूँ.
Okay.
So that is how we created for him. Apart from that, we did for a client. It's a commercial space again. So आजकल वास्तु is very new, right? So वास्तु तो बोल के निकल जाते हैं कि आपको ये बनाना है, बट अगला ऑफिस की स्पेस में वो बनाए कैसे? अब आपको किसी ने कह दिया आपको ड्योर बनाना है, अभी डियर आपके कैबिन में बनाना मतलब इट हैज़ टू हैव अ मीनिंग, राइट? व्हाई वुड यू मेक दैट आउट ऑफ नोवेयर? सो देन सो माई क्लाइंट वॉकड अप टू मी, शी इज लाइक अभी डियर बनाना है, कैसे बनाए? So she had these 5, you know, space like blocks, cubes made.
Okay.
So making that one deer also would look very bad. Making 3 also would look bad. Making 5 to banaye kya? So then we curated a story. So we started from a small deer to a little middle age, you know, then a little bigger. And every time that the deer was growing, I said, how do you tell somebody that why have you done this? And why is it blue? So blue, theek hai, color you picked up, no problem. But why this? Because as a company grows, you grow, we all grow. So this deer is a symptom of, you know, is a symbol of calm, stillness. So that is how we curated that for that client. Because anybody walks in, you can always explain to them that what have you done. तुमको वास्तु बताने की जरूरत नहीं है.
So does color speak about your character, your surroundings?
Yes, absolutely it does. It absolutely does. So we do a lot of intuitiveness also, like workshops also we curate. उसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि एक बच्चे का ना आप मेंटली क्या चल रहा है, साइकोलॉजिकली क्या है, आप उसको जज कर सकते हैं. सो आई कोलैबोरेट विद अ लॉट ऑफ साइकोलॉजिस्ट ऑल्सो. सो व्हाट दे डू इज दे कॉल मी लाइक इन देयर स्पेस एंड दे आस्क मी कि श्वेति कुछ आर्ट बनवाओ उनसे. ठीक है, तो अभी उस आर्ट में क्या करते हैं, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क.
Okay.
सो आई आस्क द चाइल्ड कि कैन यू और से फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज एन एप्पल. ठीक है, and I asked the child कि आप लोग इसको देख के बनाओ. So first 15-20 minutes they are making that. My next question is, now you will have to do something in and around that as per your intuitiveness.
Okay.
So whatever you see. So some might see an apple which is half cut. Some might see an apple with a knife. Some might see a glass of milk near that. Now that helps the psychologist analyze about the child's psychology. जिस बच्चे की thought process क्या है. It's just like, you know, somebody is an opportunist. हमको लगता है कि pessimist होते हैं कोई, तो वैसा. तो they try to solve that. Now we exactly, I'm not a psychologist. My only work is to, you know, create workshops, curate them as per their requirement. We also do a lot of workshops regarding, you know, fluid art. We do sketches. We do a lot of acrylic painting. We do for people like you. You know, people जब किटी पार्टी में जाते हैं ना,
so you बहुत इन है.
हाँ, तो sip and paint. So हम curate करते हैं वो सारी चीजें. आपके थीम के हिसाब से भी. सो बर्थडे पार्टीज भी अगर आपका स्पेस का थीम है तो हम उसके हिसाब से क्यूरेट करते थे. वी ऑल्सो डू अ लॉट ऑफ DIYs सो दैट यू कैन टेक इट योर सेल्फ. यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू गेट अस इन योर स्पेस, नो प्रॉब्लम. यू कैन टेक द DIYs फ्रॉम अस एंड यू कैन जस्ट circulate it. They have manuals in them. You can read it through and it's very easy to use it. So it's custom friendly again. So we do that.
Very, very nice work, Shruti. So coming from a marketing background, very curious to know how do you market yourself as an artist and your this project Artinity, and do you think marketing is important?
Oh, absolutely, it is. Do you really think that I would have been able to, you know, even rebrand myself and get this name as Artinity? Of course, no. It is, I mean, marketing is the need of the hour as of now. So वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा. And how it is important, how I market myself. So with time, I have, see, one-to-one connection is very much important. You have to go out there. Nobody will get to know about me if I'm sitting at home.
Very true.
ठीक है, मैं CA थी तो वो भी मुझे बाहर जाके बताना पड़ा कि मैं CA थी. अभी मैं CA से आर्टिस्ट बन गई हूँ तो उसके लिए भी मुझे बाहर जाना पड़ा. So I have got myself, you know, connected to a lot of platforms. Okay. So there are multiple platforms, organizations, say, I mean, to name few is BNI, Jito, there is Vepar, there is Cafe, there are many more, of course. So I have connected myself for few of them, and I always make sure that there is a kind of conferences or seminars, you know, even for CA, because we have our own things also, like Udan happened.
Yeah.
So I make sure that at least for those occasions I'm there, so that when I'm able to, you know,
put yourself as a CA also.
Yes, CA also. I mean, yeah, because we also have a phone. So,
yeah.
But then I'm not practicing. So that's not my concern here. But more, I want to introduce people that I guess I'm a CA, but then this is what I do. So if ever you need anything, you can always, you know, refer me, or you can connect with me, or that's how it is. So yes, you have to, first thing is, you have to push yourself outside, come out of your comfort zone, be in front of people, talk to them, make connections, and let them know about you. That's one thing. Second, be a part of different organizations where that helps you. First, to even polish yourself, right? Because now we are like, you know, business entrepreneurs. So that is like something जो polish करना पड़ेगा. So these platforms, you know, help you to do that. So that happens. Apart from these, we have LinkedIn, where we reach out to people. There are Instagram, there is Facebook, there's my website coming up. So yeah, there are many other modes through which we do it. So marketing is very important.
So entrepreneur journey is not an easy journey, we all know. So with fruits come challenges as well. So let's talk about certain challenges which you faced. I'm sure, like your father said, many friends and relatives also say कि अरे यार CA करके भी यही करना था तो फिर CA क्यों किया? So how did you combat those challenges aside? What challenges you faced in setting up Arternity?
Truly speaking, once I started, the only challenge was to manage the house and work.
Okay.
Nothing in between. बाकी तो जो लोग बोलेंगे तो उनका काम है बोलना, वो बोलते रहेंगे. It's okay. I just listen and I'm like, जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. As I mentioned, my mother-in-law is amazing. She's also come to the same thought process. लोगों को जो बोलने हैं बोलने दो. तुम अपने काम पे ध्यान दो. That is all she sees. So as far as I am giving my attendance at home, I'm taking care of everything that is possible to be done. She has no problem, or anybody else has no problem me working outside. It's my own time frame, so I can do whatever I want to. So that is how it is. And as you mentioned, challenges. CA करके ना ये बात तो समझ में आ गई थी कि रेजिलेंस समझ में आ गया था. एकदम ढीठ बना देते हैं वो, ठीक है. तो अब ये मालूम था कि बैकआउट तो नहीं करूँगी, क्योंकि एट द एज ऑफ 35 if I still cannot figure out what I have to do or what I want to do, और जो मैं कर रही हूँ सही भी है कि नहीं,
I get you.
Yeah, that's a problem. That's a big problem. So once I know what I have to do, then I think there is no looking back there. I mean, challenges आएंगे, and that is a part of your business. Every day we have challenges in our own business. But do we just not take it? Of course we have to. That's how you make money. That's how you make clientele. I mean, that's how it happens. So yeah, challenges are there. I mean, if you tell me to specify something, I do not have that because there are many, and it keeps coming every day, and I'm like, fine.
Yeah, as an entrepreneur, we always have to be ready for that fight.
Yeah.
And it's very important, as you said, at a certain age, we need to find a space and solace where we can build on our future.
Absolutely.
Very true.
Yeah.
So I have an interesting question. How do you blend your business acumen with the creativity?
It is interesting. Well, see, there is this general consensus that people think that art cannot make you a lot of money. That I feel, if there is a correct balance between your commercial thing with your art thing, it is not that difficult. So we at Arternity now, over a period of time, so it's been, as I mentioned, it's been 6 years now. Initially it was difficult, but this perception, we worked on this, and now we deliver art at scale. Okay, so keeping in mind that the essence of art is not lost, so it stays the way it is. But then again, we thought, why not work in and around that, and therefore we have got a lot of different projects, various ones, where we can create art at a scale, which gives us a huge revenue in that way. And that helps us, even do a lot of other creative works also.
And how your CA journey, or the knowledge we have earned from that, how it has helped you in balancing your books at your Arternity?
So see, क्योंकि थोड़ा नॉलेज था अकाउंट्स का, तो ये पता चला कि बिजनेस इनकम क्या होता है, बिजनेस लॉसेस क्या होते हैं, बिजनेस एसेट्स, लाइबिलिटीज, भी कुछ पढ़ा है हमने. दैट इज ऑफ कोर्स हेल्प मी डूइंग इट, बिकॉज नाउ आई नो कि व्हेन द मनी दैट आई एम गेटिंग इन, वो कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर है, तो उसको मुझे बेसिकली इट हेल्प्स मी डू दिस. मतलब आई थिंक अगर सिर्फ आर्टिस्ट होती तो आई वुड हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू रीच वेयर आई एम टुडे. क्योंकि CA भी हूँ, और आई मीन वो तो डिग्री है, वो ठीक है, नहीं भी होता, और अगर मैं आई कम फ्रॉम अ BCom बैकग्राउंड अगेन, सो दिस नॉलेज दैट आई हैव फ्रॉम माई कॉलेज, these things from my childhood, that actually helped me build this entire structure of Arternity. Otherwise it would have been very difficult to manage. There are people working under me, there are junior artists. I would have never been able to understand कि पेरोल क्या होता है. अभी कोई आके मुझे पेरोल के बारे में बताएगा तो मुझे पता है कि मुझे किस बारे में बात हो रही है मुझसे. So these, I think education is something just it always helps you.
And it is always with you.
Yeah, it will always remain with you. Yeah. So I remember I mean, I cleared my C, I think, in my 4th attempt.
Okay.
So my somebody very elder to me had come and said that this thing that you have in your life, nobody will be able to snatch it away from you.
I got the same line.
Yeah. So that is what happened. So of course, I mean, ये अगर मैं नहीं होती तो शायद मैं ये भी नहीं कर पाती. ये है दिमाग में, तो ये भी पता है कि कुछ भी होगा, even if I'm doing this pettiest of little work also, I know that I have to, this money thing, it has to yield me money. It cannot be like I'm giving so much of time and it's giving me nothing. It has to give me recognition, whatever I aspire in life. There are people who just want fame. There are people who just want recognition. There are people who want money. But I am somebody who wants both. So then we have to work with that, So this helps me doing this.
I'm so happy that you have chosen your hobby or passion as a full-time entrepreneur journey.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of aspiring CA students who are watching our podcast. So what would you suggest them, how important it is, to give importance to your interest and hobby as well, aside pursuing your career path?
See, to them, all of them actually, I would say, हम जब CA भी पढ़ रहे होते हैं ना, आई रिमेंबर हमारे वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग्स में हमको बताया गया था कि ये कन्वेंशनल जॉब मत करो. देर आर सेट ऑफ कन्वेंशनल जॉब जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट करते हैं, एंड देन देर आर ऑल्सो अदर जॉब्स जो कि वो नहीं करता है बट चाहे तो कर सकता है. सो डिग्री इंपॉर्टेंट है या एजुकेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो आपको एज इन इट फ्रेम्स यू टू बी वॉट यू आर. इट हेल्प्स यू. आज नहीं समझ में आएगा, मे बी लेटर इन योर लाइफ यूल अंडरस्टैंड. बट टू डू समथिंग, आई ऑल्सो फील दैट art is like meditation, not just my art. Art can be in any form. It can be music, it can be dance, it can be anything. So if you have anything in you, any kind of creativity, be it writing also, I would always suggest, please carry that on with you. That will actually help you to stress out your stress, ये जो भी कुछ आपके लाइफ में फंस हो रहा होगा ना, ये सारी चीज़ें लास्ट में आके आप वो जो एक चीज़ आप करते होगे, किसी को पियानो बजाना अच्छा लगता है, किसी को वायलिन बजाना अच्छा लगता है, किसी को उसमें शांति मिलती है, किसी को कुछ अच्छा लगता है, प्लीज उसको करिए.
वो हैप्पीनेस अलग है.
वो हैप्पीनेस अलग है. वो आपको एक फीलिंग ऑफ कंटेंटमेंट देती है कि इट्स कंप्लीट. अदरवाइज आप बस जाओगे 9 से 10 की, मतलब सवेरे 9 से 5 की नौकरी करोगे, या किसी का अपना फर्म होता है तो आप अपना खुद का बिजनेस रन करोगे, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल नॉट फाइंड पीस इन दैट. So if you like cricket, go play. If you like football, go play. If you like art, go paint. If you like music, then go play it. I mean, you need to do that one thing that is very important to keep you that human. Otherwise, you'll go haywire.
The students take a note. Huh?
Yes, absolutely.
So how do you measure success today, Shweti? What gives you contentment? I mean, obviously the business, the income, or giving a satisfactory art or good testimonials from clients.
See, again, as I mentioned, it is a balance of both. When I started my career, I used to make art for friends and family. उनका अच्छा मुझे रिव्यू मिलता था, तो दैट यूज्ड टू बूस्ट मी ना कि आई कैन डू समथिंग. बट अगर वही बूस्ट से चल जाता तो फिर तो नहीं काम चलता. मोनेटाइज करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो वो मोनेटाइज हुआ तो समझ में आया कि नहीं यार, माई आर्ट कैन नॉट जस्ट गो फॉर फ्री. आई मीन, आई एम डूइंग आर्ट. People are liking it, they're loving it, it is turning around their spaces, they're just enjoying that. It has to get monetized, which is different. But the main satisfaction comes when I walk into the space again and the client is telling me, okay, everybody has loved that art. मेरे तो घर पे मुझे लगा था, अच्छा कोई तो अपने किसी से पूछते नहीं ना, बड़ों से करवा लेते हैं. तो फिर बाद में कहते कि नहीं, मेरे सासू जी को तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, सबको बहुत पसंद आया घर में. No, that expression when they have that on their face, no, so मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Even for offices, people are very skeptical, especially in a commercial firm, कि हम wall murals बनवाएं, अच्छा लगेगा क्या, कि हम कैसा art forms लगाएं अपने offices में. So recently we have done a project of 8 artworks, 3D artworks for a law firm.
Okay.
In High Court, near High Court, I mean nearby. So that happened. So they're skeptical. So even they were very skeptical. Once it was installed, he was very happy. I mean, I didn't have to even tell that other person, make the payment. He was like, I'm clearing the payment, just send me across the bill. So it is a blend of both, you see. When you create good art and you see people, very happy with that, and then, okay, so you're doing good work. Then you pat yourself, humne acha kaam kara hai. So blend of both.
So how your day starts with, take us through your day throughout as an entrepreneur.
So my day starts, it actually starts like post 10:30. I'm an entrepreneur. Before that, I'm a mom. and after 5:36, again I'm a mother. So in between this, when I reach office, my first thing is to sit and after doing all my whatever I do spiritual, I'm very kind of little spiritual. So whatever I do after that, I ask my junior artists all to come, and I go through all the ongoing projects. कि whatever is happening, किसी में कुछ changes करनी है, कुछ corrections करना है, कहीं पे मेरा input की ज़रूरत है, so then I go ahead and we do that. Apart after that, like post towards something, I sit with my social media person because marketing is important.
Right.
So there is where I spend around an hour or something where we have to do some shoots with something, then we do that. If there is some artwork going on, so then we shoot that. We're talking to the clients, pitching clients, how we do a testimonial recording, everything, whatever is required. So we do that for an hour or so. Post that again, I am pitching my clients. It is that time of the day where I start making calls to my clients and all. किसको delivery चाहिए, किसको क्या चाहिए, क्या करवाना है, कुछ changes करवाना है, तो their recommendations. And yeah, that is how my entire work, day goes. And then again, I'm back home, and then there's I'm a mother.
So if you had to choose yourself to describe in terms of colors and not in words, which ones would you choose?
Good question. So for me to choose that one color is very difficult. So you can see me wearing this multicolor thing.
Okay.
So I cannot choose colors.
Okay.
Not possible. Maybe I would just go with indigo. Yeah, that's a mix of a lot of colors. So yeah, I'll go with indigo.
Interesting. If not a CA, if not an artist, what would you be?
Or maybe a news reporter.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Though I'm very shy of camera and I can't speak, but maybe I think अगर मैं अपने को उसमें groom करती तो शायद मैं वो कर लेती. I remember telling my father कि मुझे ना mass communication करना है. तब then I did not know उसका क्या ambit है और क्या क्या हो सकता है. But मुझे हमेशा बहुत fancy लगता था वो news reporter का ऐसे report देना तो शायद maybe yeah I don't know.
That's an interesting job. So on that note, we come to the end of the episode. Your journey was really refreshing and inspiring. To all the students who would love to explore the work which Shweti is doing, you can follow her on LinkedIn and on Instagram. We'll be sharing the link in our podcast. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment our podcast. And let us know your comments how you like this episode. To all the people who are practicing, there's always a scope to go beyond that and follow your passion. Till then, keep exploring, keep creating. Signing off, CA Harsha Agarwal.